This is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can install it either directly from the search results or open the dedicated app page and install it from there. Doesn't matter, it will lead to the identical result. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So tap at the Continue button. Then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser, or you can absolutely skip this step. And in here at the final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.